Hurry up.
Look, you want to do this? Be my guest. But this ain't a job you want to rush.
That do it?
Signal's good! Arm the other detonators and pull back to me!
Come on, tough guy, we gotta blow this bridge. Dutch, arm the other charges.
What about those raids?
Forget about them, we got explosives to set. Follow me, arm the charges. That's getting closer.
No!
Look out! That's the last one, Dutch. Everyone, behind those barriers, bridge is set to blow.
Come on, Super, unlock the keypad!
Keep it clean, on the front.
Trigger those charges! In about 5 minutes, your data center is gonna be crawling with Covenant!
Watch Tower, Dutch, get up there and pull the trigger.
About damn time! Do it, Trooper!
Look out!
Trooper, use the laptop to trigger the charges!
Got him!
What's the holdup, Dutch? Blow this sucker sky high!
Don't nobody cross my screen.
Breaking all accepted. Have pleasant trip.
Yeah! That's the way!
Are we good?
Ah, man, Covenant landing on the other side of the wall. Come on, Dutch! Those cops aren't gonna last long against brutes.
Oh, this sucks!
Go, Dutch! We gotta keep the Covenant away from that building!
Covenant, all units stand firm!
Incoming!
Reloading!
Watch out!
You overgrown, ponderous, waste of man! Scumbag! Run away! Jackass! Got him! There!
Go, Dutch! We gotta keep the Covenant away from that building!
Hostile, look sharp!
I'll flush him out. Falling back to cover!
Charged and ready. Crap.
Can't be all of them. That's the way. More Covenant. Hostile transport.
All teams, hold the
Just what we
ridge!
needed.
Don't let them near the Oni building!
Charged and ready.
Fall back! I've been beat! Fall back to the top of the ridge!
Courage, warriors!
Yay! I got that!
See red?
One phantom, look sharp!
Laser up! Ha! You're mine!
Can't hold them! Everyone get inside the building!
Too many of them, Dutch! We gotta scoop!
Forward!
Get over!
Right there, boy! Off your feet!
Inside the building! Now!
Courage, warriors! Take this hill or die!
Bam! Give such a smoke satisfaction!
More phantoms, look sharp!
What are you scared? Here's Vera!
Forward! Grind their bones beneath your feet! This is for you!
Frag out!
Everyone, stay together!
I hear and obey!
Bastard!
I will slap Slap the smoke right off your ugly mug!
You're mine!
Hey!
Now we're back in the fight, boys!
We can't hold them! Everyone get inside the building!
Too many of them, Dutch! We gotta move! Or that extra nose hole.
Can't be all of them.
Dutch, inside the building! Now!
Yeah, we did it.
Got him!
Holy crap! Nice.
Reloading!
Hurry up, men! Check those charges!
Wait, what? More explosives? Yeah, what gives? I thought we were supposed to protect this building.
I have orders to deny enemy access to all classified data housed in this facility. You don't like it, jump your butts back into orbit.
Only thing I don't like is that our butts are currently inside this facility.
They're cutting through the door! Settle down, people! Find some cover! Here they come! Watch your crossfire, people!
They're pouring into the left.
Where's that 50? We got hostiles, right?
Get down, grenade! Left side, Dutch.
Are we good? Get ready. More of them.
Target down! I'm gonna rip out your heart and show it to your dying eyes!
Hey, thanks.
Trooper, bring that turret right! Don't let up!
Fuck your mind!
Trooper,
right.
Nicely done! Target up!
Man, you made that look easy.
Is that it?
Yeah, we did it!
Phantom, dropping reinforcements. Cover your rear, trooper.
Reinforcements!
He's here. Don't let him escape.
I'm blocking my shot! It's right here!
Give me cover. I'll flush him out.
I got you!
That's the last of them, Dutch. Come to my position. It's over. We did it.
Everyone on the elevator! I put enough charges in this shaft to blow this building twice.
All right, that's it. Transfer the detonation codes to my comm. If anyone's taking this place out, it's gonna be me.
Evac Bird's gonna meet us on the roof.
Where the heck did these buggers come from?
Underground tunnels are filled with the damn thing.
Finally, a good reason to blow this building up. Fuck! There's lots of them.
Hostile out of cover.
Frag out. Ow! Don't bother getting up. Reloading. More contact. Grenade! You scared a little old me? Okay, I'm gonna forgive you, but I'm not gonna forget. Okay, but no more shooting of me. Okay? You are. There's our ride. Go, go, go! Let's get out of here, Dutch. Come on! Hey, you fellas know a gunnery Sergeant Buck?
Sure do.
Patching him through.
Glad you boys are safe and sound.
Well, likewise, Gunny. You need a pickup?
As long as you're offering. We're in the police HQ.
Could you take us there?
Affirmative.
All right. Meet you up top.
What?
This day ain't turning out so bad after all.